Real Leaf Solutions is North American cannabis growing and processing company based in Kalkaska, Michigan. By changing the air dispersion system from conventional sheet metal ducting to fabric ducting, Real Leaf Solutions maximize their crop's potential. This state-of-the-art grow facility faced HVAC challenges that revolved around getting the right conditions to the plants. Mark Brunette explains.
We strive for the humidity levels, the temperature levels, and the airflow, the proper airflow to maintain what these plants strive for.
The previous conventional DX split systems created problems that affected yields in the flowering room of the all-metal building.
Air distribution is a huge factor when growing cannabis in any plant, really. Making sure you don't have stagnant, too hot, too humid, not humid enough. It really has to be ideal.
Besides proper humidity and temperature, the conventional ducting system was difficult to clean and maintain a high hygienic level.
Metal ductwork is very difficult. You can't take it down. It's very difficult and can be dangerous to clean. We're reaching your arm in to sterilize the inside.
Drops dripping from condensation forming on ducting systems is harmful to the crop.
Condensation, unpure water dripping onto your actual plants. You can have mold, powdery mildew, just really bad problems that you don't want to see. Metal ductwork does fail in a lot of areas. Air direction is one of the large ones. It creates cold or hot spots, too direct of breeze on your plants, condensation issues.
The conventional ducting was retrofitted into FabricAir ducting that helps maintain stable temperature and humidity level. The hygienic level and the indoor air quality is controlled and significantly better.
The characteristics of FabricAir that was really appealing to us in the cannabis cultivation facility is the antimicrobial nature of the product, the ease of cleaning. It's a very clean product. The even distribution of the air because of the ability to customize your flow makes the environment, which is second to cleanliness, is the second most important factor in cultivating cannabis.
The lead time from measuring to shipping FabricAir dispersion system is short.
So the design layout of these ducts, it was second to none, and super easy. I believe we did the duct layout measurements and the product was at our doorstep 2 weeks later.
It's ready to hang right out of the box, and installation is easy and fast.
If you're doing the install with your standard metal duct, it's heavy. It comes in 10-foot lengths. You need a certain tools like your duct lift or a scissor lift to actually be able to hang the duct in the air. We installed all the fabric duct in 2 days. It's simple. You run some wires, and then you just connect the duct to the wires. Done.
So with FabricAir, we noticed that as a very quick install and a very easy to maintain system. So all you have to do is unclip the ductwork. It collapses down, and then you can take it to any industrial laundromat and clean it the way that you need to. It makes it very easy. Since we've just installed our FabricAir system recently, we have our first crop coming up for a full run under FabricAir ducting, but I can tell already visually the plants look happier, healthier, and they look like the yield's much higher.
The Real Leaf team is impressed by FabricAir ducting. New HVAC environment not only raised yields, but enhanced overall staff comfort and productivity.
It was really instantaneous. You walked into that room and I had to bring everybody in there when I remember, because it was almost a strange sensation.
It's a good looking product, you know what I mean? And you can choose from all different colors or patterns or whatnot. It can look as good as it wants, but if it doesn't do what it's supposed to be doing, then what good is it? And FabricAir knocks it out of the park.
We've been retrofitting this facility from the get-go, and honestly, my only regret is that we didn't install it right away.